Right, hi everyone, Paul down at the old CCRV. Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm just going to do a little video here. Dave, I'm on the camera and chatting as usual, but Dave's carried out some repairs on the Kountrylite here. They had a bit of damp. We sold this a while ago. They're not the best units in the world. We saw it didn't smell of damp, couldn't find any, but there was a problem with the slide. But this will just show you roughly how easy it is to actually carry out repairs. Well, Dave knows what he's doing, so it's easy to him, not to me. Right, we'll go in and have a look. Right, come on Dave, come and show us what you've done. Ashley's on the case as well here, isn't it? Which says everyone on the job here, isn't it? Right, we've got yellow things flashing and that. Right, let's see what we're doing. Right, what have we done here, Dave? Right, where was it rotten?
Whole corner had been repaired before, so they put another panel in here before.
Yeah.
They hadn't made a very good job at all. They literally just put it in there and then screwed another panel over the top.
Why was it rotten? Just the...
I think it pretty much the seal around the edge, if the water gets in behind there, and then it just starts delaminating, the wood just starts going.
over the years. How old is this unit roughly?
2013.
Yeah, so it's 10 years old. Yeah, and they're not the best built in the world.
But the frame's all good. And the framework's there good, so it's literally just replacing the floor. So it's not a...
So how have you done that? Have you stripped the old floor out, or have you just gone over?
Cut the old floor out, gone further back, so we're into good wood here, good wood there. Chased it all right out in here.
Yeah.
So we've got a new panel now that'll go in there and come down and fill that back in there. Glue and screw that, and then overboard it over the top.
Right, and so that should be good. I've got plenty of screws in there.
Yeah, we'll just sandwich it together. And that'll be a good repair.
There you go. And the wall's all right? All the walls okay?
That wall was, the water just crept up it, so I've repaired that wall.
Oh, I see. This bit here, yeah?
That's it, up to there. I cut that panel out to there, because it had just crept up and done the corner, so I put a new panel in there and put a trim in there.
I see all the screws in the floor, so pretty straightforward job. Yeah, you can see the damp on the sofa here. Let's see, it's all creeped in. But these are older units, you know. If people, the biggest problem is people just won't check things, check silicone seals, old stuff. That's all it takes. Check the silicons around the windows. They just sit in there enjoying the lifestyle. You've got to look after these vans. But again, these Kountrylite are entry level. So, but if you look after them, you know, they'll be fine. But basically, that's what we've done. We've cut the floor out, and Dave's done a fantastic mod on it. Well, not that we want to do hundreds of them, but that's come out well. Right, so that's a short video here from us down at CCRV, carrying out some repairs. And remember to like and subscribe to the channel, really helps us out. We try and make them interesting. My phone keeps ringing night and day. So stick with us, thanks for watching. That's over out for me and Dave here, doing out the repairs. Big thumbs up Dave from CCRV.